I'm not allowed to go in to cover Katie Couric getting an award for impacting the 2008 election with her interview with Sarah Palin. They've set up a barricade here where I am being instructed I have to stand behind because I'm so much different than any other citizen, just standing here asking questions with a microphone. And of course you can almost cut the irony with a knife here because of the fact that this is an award ceremony about journalism ethics and excellence. I shouldn't say ethics, but excellence in journalism. So this is rather remarkable, and we're going to see what happens next as they've huddled with security to determine what to do with me. We will not be blocking anybody's path, I can assure you that. Is anybody's path? Excuse me, miss. Or am I blocking your path to the event? No? Am I blocking your event? I don't. Oh, she got by me. Look at this. She got right by me. How did you get? I'm so sorry. I blocked her path. I blocked this person's path too. How is?
If you're not here for a lawful purpose, you're not here attending an event.
I'm trying to attend this event. But I'm here to attend this event.
My invitation, so you're not an invited guest. So you're not. So you're not here attending.
By the way, I'm not trying to get in. Am I? I was told I was denied access. I'm not trying to get in.
Here attending an event, going to class, working here. You're not here for any other legitimate purpose.
This is not a legitimate purpose to ask questions. I'm not here for a legitimate purpose, asking questions about this award system. All I'm doing here is asking questions. I asked for access. I was denied access in a very bizarre way. I'm not blocking anybody's path to this. So you're going to escort me based upon... No, you're not. You're not going to escort me.
Let's go.
This is. You guys realize that you're breaking all sorts of constitutional laws. Well, I'm not going to move. This is ridiculous.
Handcuff him and get him.
You're going to. I'm now trying to get my property, which are my movies.
We'll give you property.
I want, sir. Now you're taking my property. You're taking my microphone and you're hurting me. Why would I let go of the microphone? Why are you hurting me? This is nothing handcuffed. This is why are you doing this? Not cooperating doing what? I am here at the Walter Cronkite Awards for Journalism Excellence, and I am trying to cover asking questions. Now my wrist is being broken by the security guard, and all I'm trying to do is ask questions of people as to why they would come to this ceremony to honor Katie Couric for an interview that was not journalism, it was advocacy. This is amazing. This is the country we're now living in, and my wrist is being really hurt dramatically.
Mr. Vigo, just walk, stop struggling. Say now leave.
I'm not doing anything remotely wrong here. I'm not resisting a damn thing. Go ahead and do whatever you want. I find this absolutely amazing. Well, apparently my property. You're taking.
Let go of it. I'll give it to your man.
I'm being now handcuffed for standing on a sidewalk asking questions outside of an award ceremony on journalism excellence. You can't get more irony than this. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. What in the world is going on? This is insane. Why are you doing this? This is ridiculous. I am not going to leave here. I've done nothing wrong. Because I have done absolutely nothing wrong.
I tell you what, Jason, one of the guests will
This is what it's come to, America. At the Walter Cronkite Award for Excellence in Television in Political Journalism, I'm standing outside asking questions about why we're not allowed to cover the event, causing no problems whatsoever, and I have now been handcuffed, roughed up, prevented from getting to my own property. And now I'm being accosted. Are you guys proud of this? Are you proud of the journalism that you teach at Annenberg School? Do you allow only access to this event by people who are approved by the winners? And then you arrest people who ask simple questions? That's what this is about? You gotta be kidding. You guys, how do you sleep at night? It's amazing. This is what journalism has become. This says it all right here. Absolutely amazing.